Hi, my name is Riddhi Patel, and Morgan England and I will be discussing the neurological system and aging today. Normal brain aging represents the rate at which our brain function declines as we age. It is known that after the age of 40, our total brain weight declines by 5% every year. When looking at the nervous system, it is important to know that our peripheral nervous system has the capacity to maintain a sense of stability, meaning that it can rewire and adjust if there is damage to this system. This is not the case for the central nervous system because the neurons developed in the brain and spinal cord after childhood remain the same in abundance and are not reversible if they are damaged. As we age, the cells in our brain also age, causing there to be a lack in communication between the cells that are sending all sorts of chemical messages. We can also see that there is a decrease in the activity of neurotransmitters such as norepinephrine, dopamine, and serotonin, which causes an imbalance in mood, energy, memory, and other factors we incorporate throughout our daily living in order to function. When looking at the physical size of the brain during aging, the white matter located at the front of the brain decreases in size, which causes information to be processed at a slower rate, leading to an impairment of cognitive abilities. In relation, the decrease in size of the frontal lobe and the hippocampus cause there to be a decrease in memory and other cognitive abilities, such as attention, reasoning, and learning. Throughout time, scientists have been evaluating a group of individuals that are growing old. However, they do not suffer from all the conditions of aging mentioned in the previous slide. These individuals are known as being the superagers and are significant to the study of science because they are over the age of 80, but they still carry a memory comparable to a younger individual. Researchers have found that the area for emotion and attention in the brain declines slower for superagers. This is because a majority of the superagers are shown to have a high quality social relationship, which gives them the benefit of maintaining their cognitive abilities. Moreover, superagers have shown to embrace their lives with a more positive attitude, causing their mental health to remain good. Being a superager is a hard goal to accomplish. By learning the opportunities we have to maintain a healthy aging life, we are able to live a healthier elderhood.
ALS is a progressive disease that causes loss of proper communication between motor cells, which leads to loss of motor function. The myelin sheath is the cell's form of insulation, which allows for the firing of the neuron to happen faster due to the extreme length from the brain to the muscles in the body. ALS is the deterioration of the myelin sheath and is a progressive disease where the myelin sheath starts to get thinner and thinner until it is unable to have proper communication. This stops the action potential from the brain getting the necessary neurons to perform their job and essentially paralyzes the individual once all the myelin has died. There is no known cure as of now. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive disease that destroys cells in the brain, interfering with a person's physical and mental functions. Plaques known as beta amyloid build up in spaces between nerve cells and tangles build up in the cells within the brain. This accounts for about 60 to 80% of dementia cases, and age is known as being the greatest risk factor. The older you get, the more susceptible you are to this disease. Risk factors for heart disease and stroke have also been shown to increase the chances of Alzheimer's. Scientists have not found a cause or treatment for this degenerative disease. What can we do to improve? Mental stimulation. With research, it has been found that stimulation of your brain can create new neural pathways and can even generate new connection of cells. Through mental stimulation, such as reading, taking new classes, word puzzles, or math problems, we can develop plasticity and keep our brain cells abundant for the future loss they will have as they age. Physical exercise. There are many great benefits to exercising, such as lowering blood pressure, lowering cholesterol levels, balancing blood sugar levels, and reducing stress in your body, which is key to a healthy body and a healthy mind. It was also found that exercise can increase the connections in your brain cells called synapses, due to it triggering an increase in blood vessels carrying oxygen-rich blood to the brain. Improving your diet. Good nutrition is key when keeping your mind and body healthy as well. Fresh greens and veggies are great for your immune system, body function, and mind, as a healthy diet can reduce anxiety and depression. There has been a lot of research on healthy fats and its ability to help the plasticity of your brain with things such as fish, nuts, and olive oil. With these things in mind, we can take steps now to have a healthier brain and prepare for our future by taking care of our mind.